Here is the front of our house, and I have always wanted to do landscape lighting. So I ordered a kit from Costco with Volt landscape lighting, and here's a photo of what was in the box. And here are some photos of the project along the way where I was digging trenches, placing lights in the spots I thought that they belonged. Here is a picture of the connection where we connected the wires, and they work. Here's a light, it's on, yay. And here's a picture of the transformer. And then this is the first night with the lights, and you can tell the middle is dark. So I have to problem solve and figure out what to do there. And decided to put a spotlight in the middle, but it's in the grass, unfortunately. So I dug a trench and placed a spotlight there. And soon you will see how it looks that next night. Now that the middle is lit up, it looks a little better. And that's it.